Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Photopea for quick logo touch-ups, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser of choice. In the search bar, type Photopea and press enter. The first result should be the official Photopea website. Click on the link to access the site. Once the home page loads, you will see the Photopea interface. You can use it directly in your browser without any installation. To create a new project, click on File at the top left corner. Select New to open a blank canvas. You can also choose Open if you want to upload an existing logo. To upload, navigate to the folder where your logo file is saved. Select the file and click Open. Now that your logo is loaded, you can start making adjustments. On the right side, locate the Layers panel. Click on a layer to select it for editing. Use the toolbar on the left for quick touch-ups like crop, resize, or color adjustments. Make any adjustments as needed to enhance your logo. To undo any changes, use the Ctrl+Z shortcut. When you're satisfied with your modifications, click on File again. Select Export as to choose your desired file format. Choose formats like PNG or JPEG for best quality. Adjust the settings as needed and click Save. Your edited logo will automatically download to your computer. Repeat these steps whenever you need to make quick touch-ups. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.